Hi friends, this is SMK and you are watching Chan Malakar Gaming Tech. And today I'm gonna show you in this video how can you fix the problem can't connect to the camera. So let's start. So as you can see, it's showing camera error can't connect to the camera. So let's dismiss it. Then go to settings. After going to settings, go to apps. Then wait for a while till it's loading. Then click on camera and click on storage. Then click on clear cache and then on clear data. Click OK. Don't worry, nothing will happen. No photo, no file related to camera will be deleted. So do it befikar. Then open the camera again. So as you can see, it has opened. It has started to work again. Um, huh? It has started to work again. So thank you friends, and if you like the video, please subscribe and like my channel, and please also share the video. Thanks and bye.